Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove shadow ban on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, just simply you have to open TikTok and then wait some second from here guys. And then you have to tap on your profile here and then tap on three lines, then go to setting and privacy. Let me tell you that you have one way to fix this issue. You have to report to TikTok team. So just simply tap on report a problem and then wait some second from here guys. Just simply you have to scroll it on, then tap on videos and sounds. So just simply wait some second from here, then tap on other, and from here guys just simply wait some second again. No, just simply tap on no, then need more help. Now here you have to explain about your problem. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. So you have to write this one. Okay guys, just simply write this one, and after that just simply tap on submit and your request will be submitted, and TikTok team will contact with you within 48 hours and hopefully they will fix your problem. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.